Today we'll be installing EcoHitch part number X6006S, which features our exclusive stainless steel receiver on a Hyundai Kona. If you find this video helpful, consider leaving it a like and hitting the subscribe button below for any future installs. Starting off, remove the two plastic clips and one nut holding the plastic panel on the passenger side. Remove the plastic cap off the hole on the bottom of the frame rail. Feed the coiled end of the bolt fisher through the rearmost hole on the side of the frame, then out the hole on the bottom. Attach a star washer, plate washer, and bolt to the fisher, and pull it through the bottom and out the side. Feed another hardware set through the other hole on the side of the frame. Repeat on the other side. Lower the exhaust to allow room for your hitch by lubricating the rubber hangers and sliding them off their mounts. Guide the bolt fishers through their corresponding holes on the EcoHitch and lift the hitch into place. Use the fishers to pull the bolts through the holes on the side plates. Remove the fishers and secure each bolt with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Attach a bolt, star washer, and plate washer to a bolt fisher and feed the hardware into the bottom hole. Then pull the hardware straight back down. Repeat on the other side. Place the support bracket over this bolt and secure with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Insert a bolt and washer through the two holes on the side. Secure each bolt with a washer, lock washer, and nut. Repeat this process to install the other support bracket. You can now torque down all the hardware. Reinstall the exhaust and the plastic panel. Finally, slide the insert adapter into the receiver hitch. Secure it with the 5/8" bolt, washer, and lock washer. Your EcoHitch is now installed and ready for your next adventure.
This video is a guide for visual reference. Please always refer to our instructions when installing Torque Lift products, for they are updated regularly. For any questions, visit our website or give us a call at 800-246-8132.